Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna review this Conn Organ 314 Type 2. I saw on YouTube there is only one video showing this organ, and I got for free on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm not very good to play it, but I want to show you the features. And it's really cool because it's probably 50 years old and it still works. You can see all the keys here and there's the keyboard, and also there's the bass pedal. So to turn on, do this one. You have a reverber. Okay. So I'm not expert, so if you know better, you can also make a comment. But from what I understood, this keyboard is controlled by this area here. So, and the number is the pitch. So if 4, it's very high, because in a real church organ, the number 4 used to be the length of the pipe. So the 8 and 16 is lower. But you can combine all three. You can also put the Leslie speaker. You can control the volume from here. Apparently there is also, yes, there is this thing that you can control the pitch. Let's try. Cool. Then you have trumpet, viola, horn, clarinet, Leslie. Let's remove Leslie. Sassy brass makes strange noise. Make a wow effect. Solo accent make each of these keys stronger. So it's like that. Especially if you have. Then there are the accomp, and this is the second keyboard here. So right now, if you don't press any key, it doesn't do anything. So if you do this one, the diapason, flute. Okay, if you want to have the same instrument here and there, you can do the same here and there, like that. So, but I wish there was exactly the same, but for the accompaniment section, you only have few. You have reed, you don't have reed here, so it's gonna be different. Well, that's okay. You can make it louder. Then there is the pedal. You can sustain, but I don't see much different on the sustain. All right. Then this part is more complicated to understand and remember, but let's see if I can remember. If you attach this one, yes, it does this. Then you can control the tempo from here. That's like arpeggio with the banjo, with the mandolin. And guitar. Okay, so this one. Let's put a reverb. It's very hard to pinch. Okay, what? Do we have Leslie on? No. I mean, very loud. I mean, it's incredible that this organ works in every details. Everything seems working. All right, so here, still low. This sync also is like here. If you do the banjo, it does this effect. So if you do this one, the repetition is slower, but you can control with the tempo here. You can also make more. Oh, now we are repeating 3, so this repeating 2. So they have a lot of different options for this. All right, accent. I wish, like I said, I wish the companion have same sound, because here is almost a pipe organ now. Alright, then you have also this option for the rhythm. You can control this one there. You can put the lights on. Different. I don't like too much this rhythm. Anyway, so you see, a lot of feature. You can do all kind of stuff. It's really cool. I'm not an expert. I just know a little this and there, but it's really cool. Plus, I got for free. And so that's all for the Conn Organ. See you next time for another great review. Bye bye.